everyone, this is Stacie. I hope everyone's having a fabulous 2018. I haven't been on here in a while, but thought I'd come on and share a product that I'm really excited to try. So I have no makeup on my face for the benefit of filming this video and sharing this product. What this is a new light therapy product called the Revive Light Therapy Lip Care. This is designed to be used around the lip area and the lips themselves. It says it's for treatment of lip creases and wrinkles, temporarily increasing the circulation in that area and getting some lip plumping. I'll just read quickly. The back of the box also says it's safe for all skin tones and types, stimulates collagen production, safe and natural with no side effects, medically proven, clinically tested, medical grade lights, and FDA cleared. The operating instructions tell you to wash and cleanse and dry the area that you're going to be treating, which is why I have no makeup on my face. I just put makeup on my eyes here for the day. It says power up the device, leave device on the treatment area for 3 minutes, shut it off, and put it in its little storage bag. So this will be sort of like a little unboxing video for you. So you open the box. It does have a little pamphlet here with all of the directions on how to use it, and I'm sure all the precautions and all. So I wanted to just read a few things that it says here in the little pamphlet that it came with. It says that youthful skin is rich in collagen, which gives the skin lift and support. Collagen works deep within the skin like columns of tissue that support the skin's surface. Over time, skin produces less collagen, and with exposure to sunlight, healthy collagen becomes damaged. This can result in wrinkles, especially around the lip area, which I know all too well. The lights from the device penetrate deep within the layers of your skin, diminishing creases and wrinkles. Easy to use, Revive Light Therapy Lip Care is programmed with a 3-minute auto shut-off function for professional anti-aging results with short, simple daily treatments in the comfort of your home. So I thought it was important to read that to you guys. It says that Revive Light Therapy Lip Care is a light-emitting diode, which is LED, device that harnesses energy to plump lips and treat wrinkles around the lip area. The device incorporates natural light energy in the amber, red, deep red, and infrared spectrums that are proven to reduce wrinkles, result in an increased circulation and lip plumping. So it says to test the device to make sure you're not sensitive to the lights, which I doubt very many people are, to be honest. You just charge the device up, you make sure the area is cleansed, and just use it for 3 minutes a day. And then I can just kind of take this little plastic off the top here so we can see what is inside. So what is here, the first thing is this, which is actually just like a little storage bag to keep your product in when you're not using it, to keep it nice and safe and sound. Then there is an USB cord along with a plug to use it if you want to plug it into a wall for charging, or I guess because it's got the USB, you can also charge it maybe in a laptop or another device where you can charge your USB devices. There's this little plastic mouthpiece here, and then this is the part that says Revive on it, and it says Light Therapy, Revive Light Therapy. It's got an on-off button. So this is what the device looks like, and so you just take it here and you press it into the part that is the plastic mouthpiece. So literally it just has like little holes that those go into, so you just press firmly to get it in there. That's it as far as setting up the device. So I'll just quickly put it in my mouth so we can see, does it look comfortable and all. I love that it's hands-free. You just put it in your mouth and you can go about your business. You don't have to hold the device there. So anyway, I'm just gonna try it here real quick. So the device automatically shuts itself off after 3 minutes. So I am going to just give you guys a close-up of those lovely lines that I have around my mouth that I'm trying to desperately get rid of. I've tried all kinds of things. I feel like I'm making a little bit of progress, but I would love to say that this device is one that's going to work. So I'm going to do updates for you at 6 weeks using the device and then 12 weeks using the device, so we can all decide for ourselves whether or not this works. I believe it retails for $99, and I'll put the link to their website down below in case you're interested in maybe going to their site, learning more about the device, maybe purchasing one for yourself before I actually have my personal results posted. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.